Do you want to take control of your money and secure your future? Here are 7 powerful money management tips to help you build wealth and live smarter. First, track every expense. Write down or record everything you spend, no matter how small. This awareness helps you spot where money floods out and gives you the power to cut unnecessary expenses. Second, create a budget based on your income and goals. List your fixed costs, savings, and discretionary spending. When you assign every dollar a role, you eliminate money stress and strengthen your financial discipline. Third, pay yourself first. Before paying bills or shopping automatically, move a fixed amount into savings or investments. Treat this like a bill, untouchable and non-negotiable. Fourth, build your emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. Having cash for unexpected situations prevents you from falling into debt or financial panic. Fifth, avoid impulse buying. When tempted to purchase, enforce a 24-hour hold. Often the urge fades, and you save money while making wiser choices. Sixth, pay off high-interest debt first. Focus on debts like credit card balances or personal loans with steep interest rates. Use methods like the debt avalanche to reduce interest quickly, freeing more cash for saving and investing. Seventh, invest regularly for the long term. Use tax-efficient accounts like 401ks or IRAs. Start with small, consistent contributions. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. To sum it up, 1. Track all your expenses. 2. Set a clear dollar-by-dollar budget. 3. Save first, spend second. 4. Build a safety net. 5. Think before spending. 6. Crush high-interest debt. 7. Invest consistently. Start applying just one of these tips today and you'll already be ahead. For more simple, powerful finance strategies, follow now and take control of your financial future.